Genre, nonfiction. Essential question. How can you find your way around? Learn how to use a map. Fun with maps. A map is a drawing of a place. A map shows us where we are. It shows us how to get around, too. Phil's room. A map can be of a small place. This is a map of Phil's room. How many windows do you see? What is next to Phil's bed? What is by the door? A map can be of a big place. This is a map of a town. What places do you see on the map? Map. Town of Chatwell. Map labels. Town Hall. Market. Moss Street. Elm Street. Chatwell School. West Street. March Street. Which street is the market on? What is by the firehouse? How would you walk from the school to the library? Ash Street, Chatwell Fire Department, U.S. Post Office, Dent Street, Library. A map can be of a fun place. This is a map of a park. The symbols on maps stand for real things. On this map, picnic table stands for a place to eat lunch. A key tells what the symbols mean. Match the symbol in the key with the one on the map. What symbol stands for the pond? What does swing set stand for? A map can be of an imaginary place. This is a treasure map. What routes could you take to get to the chest of gold? This map could help you a lot.